Most yacht companies in Dubai serve the market, but Elite Rentals Dubai serves people who are used to first class. Everything else is economy. Welcome on board. Before the yacht, there's comparison. Comparison exists when people don't understand levels. They compare prices, photos, and even promises. And they even book disappointment. But this doesn't compete, it replaces. Welcome on board. Online yachts are theatre. Everything on social media could not necessarily be what is expected. The perfect angle, empty decks, and an overrated service. But this yacht doesn't need the extra social media hype. It's real size, real height, and real presence. On a boat like this, you don't have to imagine being on it, you just have to live on it. Luxury is not just about size. It's about how well an experience is managed, from crew to timing and comfort. That is the Elite Rental standard. Three decks don't impress me, but three decks at work do. One for connection, one for energy, and one for resetting. No chaos, only flow. By night, this stops being a yacht and turns into a venue. Precise, elegant, and effortless. And it's not for the guys that want to compare, but for the hosts that know control. And the lies end right over here. You don't have to adjust to a yacht, the yacht adjusts to you. I mean, just look at how incredible of an experience you can have on board a spectacular yacht like this. See you on board.